Adobe Photoshop free download. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get the legal version of Photoshop for free. To get started, head down and click the link in the description. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then you're going to select your country, and then we're going to scroll up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, select Photoshop. Now you can go through all of the cool features that you get inside of Photoshop. For now, we just want to get access to the full legal version of Photoshop, so we're going to select the free trial option. Then you can choose between Photoshop and Creative Cloud Pro. The Photoshop option will be a bit cheaper, but you only get access to try out Photoshop. If you want to try out all the other amazing apps from Adobe, then choose the Creative Cloud Pro option. Then you can choose between monthly, annual build monthly, and annual prepaid. Just remember, if you go for the annual build monthly, it will be a little bit cheaper, but there are fees that apply if you do cancel early. We prefer the monthly only option. And then we're going to add in the 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, because then you get 10 free standard assets in the 7-day free trial. Click that blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our email address, double check that we are getting access to the free trial. So check that your due now is in fact 0, and then just check the date that the 7-day free trial ends. Then we're going to enter the payment information. You need to do this to activate the free trial. And then the Creative Cloud app will download, and you can download Photoshop inside of the Creative Cloud app. If you have any questions or queries about the Adobe Photoshop download, then let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.